Hey everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can sort an array, both types of array string and number. I have a string array, the name of the array is countries and there are 5 countries names in this array: Denmark, Canada, Germany, Bhutan, and Australia. I would like to alphabetically sort this array in ascending order. This means that names starting with A, like Australia, should appear first, followed by names that start with B, and so on. To do this, we can utilize the sort method by calling it on the countries array. Write the sorted countries array in the console.log. Our array is arranged in ascending order, starting with Australia, followed by Bhutan, Canada, Denmark, and Germany. If you wish to arrange the array in descending order, you can easily achieve this by using the reverse method. Copy the above code and paste it below. Call the reverse method on the countries array. We have successfully arranged the array in descending order. Right now, we're dealing with strings, and it's important to note that the sort method is designed to work well with strings. However, when you try to use it to sort numbers, it doesn't produce the right results. To demonstrate this, let's create a new array called points, and this time, let's store numerical values in it. We'll apply the sort and reverse functions to this new points array. Select all the countries and write the name of new array points, and you'll notice that we get different outputs. What's interesting is that the sort method sorts the numbers alphabetically, not numerically, and the reverse method reverses the array alphabetically as well. This clearly shows that both of these functions don't work correctly when applied to a numeric array. If you wish to sort all the numbers in both ascending and descending orders, you can resolve this matter by utilizing a compare function. Inside the sort function, create a function and pass 2 variables, let's call them x and y, within the parentheses. Inside the function, use the expression return x minus y. By incorporating this function, all the numbers in the points array will be sorted in ascending order. This particular function is commonly referred to as a compare function. To achieve a descending order, simply replicate this code and replace x minus y with y minus x. This adjustment will enable the array to be sorted in descending order. Let's break down how the sort method and compare function work together. When the sort function needs to compare 2 values, it sends those values to the compare function, and it arranges the values based on the result provided by the compare function. Here's how it plays out. To begin, the compare function takes the first 2 numbers from the array, which are 4 and 7. It subtracts these values, resulting in a negative value, minus 3, because 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Since the outcome is negative, minus 3, the sort method interprets it as 4 being less than 7, and consequently, it sorts 4 before 7. If the result had been positive, the second value positioned before the first value. This is how the compare function works with the sort method to arrange values in the array. Now, I'd like to show you how to find the minimum and maximum values in an array. To do this, you should start by sorting the array in either ascending or descending order. Let's use the code for ascending order. For the minimum value, you can simply display the first element of the sorted array using the index 0 in the console log. This will give you the minimum value in the array. Next, let's find the maximum value. You can use the same console log, but this time, inside the square brackets, put the length of the points array minus 1. This will access the last value in the array, which is also the maximum value. When you run this code, you'll see the maximum value, which, in this case, is 30, displayed in the console. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.